Today we will continue with the third lesson in chapter 6, solving equations using multiplication or division. By the end of this session, we will have live problem shows how we can use solving equations in real life situation. And to start, I need you to open your books page, this page. What is this page?
263.
Exactly. Okay, my heroes, go ahead. Okay. In this page, we will solve these questions. I will circle the numbers that we will solve. Just a second, it's not working.
Teacher, me father, if any question come, can I answer it?
I will call, inshallah. Okay, we will solve questions 16. What? Okay, I have a problem here. Just a second, my heroes. We will solve question 16. Start with question 16.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, 16, 20, 28, and okay, these three questions. Let's start first with question number 16. Ahmed Yusuf?
Yes.
Okay, Ahmed. We have s over 10 equals 7. What should we do? We need to solve the equation.
We will undo the division.
We will undo the division. How?
Multiplication.
By?
7.
What do you want to remove?
And remove. I will certain over s.
Okay, just a second. Abdullah, mute your mic. Abdullah? Thank you, Abdullah. Okay, Ahmed, you want to find the value of the variable here, s. So you want to remove the 10, not the 7. So we multiply by
10.
Great. Now
It will be s.
Great. In the left side, the division and multiplication undo each other. We have s on the left side.
S equal 70.
70. Can you tell me if we want to check our answer, what should we do?
We will write s 10 over 10.
But s is not 10 now. The value is 70.
70, yeah. 70 over 10.
So you will check here that 70 over 10 is equal to 7.
Yeah.
And if it's equal to 7, so your answer is correct. 70 divided 10, is it 7?
Yeah.
So this answer is true. Thank you, my hero. Okay, my heroes.
I will go bathroom, okay?
Quickly, Leah. Question number 20. 3a equals 12. Rida Naeem? Rida Naeem?
Yes, Mr. I am Rida Naeem.
Okay, Rida. In this one, 3a equals 12. What should we do?
Number 20, Mister.
Yes. Look at my screen. Do you see my screen?
Yes, I see it.
Okay, this is the question that we are solving now.
Okay. First, okay, we will make division.
Divide by?
Mister.
Yes, do you hear
By
me?
3, 12 by 3.
Okay, we should divide both sides by 3.
12p.
Yes.
Yes. Divided by 12, 12p. 4. And 4 equals A.
Excellent. So here in the left side, the multiplication and division undo each other. So it's A. And in the right side, 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Thank you, Rilla. Great work. Fahad?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Fahad, question number 28.
Okay, 28.
Okay,
First,
just a second, Fahad. Before we
yeah.
move to 28, in question 20, if you want to check your answers, you should substitute 4 for A. So here, 3 times 4 equals 12. That's right. So A equals 4 is correct solution. Okay, go ahead, Fahad.
5 D, okay. Okay, 5D. We will write
It's 5D over 9
5 and D.
equals 10.
Over 9 equals 10. So the D, how many it will get us? 9. 9. No, or 10, teacher. 9 or 10.
But this is not how we think. Let me ask you questions and you respond, okay?
Okay.
Where is the variable?
10.
The letter, my hero, the variable.
Okay, D.
Okay, so you want to find D.
Yeah.
You need to find the value for the D here. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have anything with D in the same side?
No.
I see here 5 and 9 in the same side.
Okay, in the same side. Okay.
In the left side, you have with D, you have 5 and 9. So you want to remove the 5 and the 9. So this is the form of a fraction.
Okay, it will be...
Yes, so we should multiply by the multiplicative inverse, the reciprocal.
Yeah.
What is the reciprocal of 5 over 9?
I think 2. No, 9. 9 over 5. Okay.
The reciprocal of 5 over 9 is 9 over 5.
We will change it. We will put the 9 up and the 5 down.
Exactly. But remember, do not just multiply one side. You should also multiply the other side.
Right. Yeah, also. Yeah, we will multiply all the 5 and the 9 and the 10
now,
also.
5 over 9 and 9 over 5. These two are multiplicative inverse to each other. So when you multiply them, you get 1. Or we can say that they undo each other in multiplication here. When you multiply them, you get 1. Or as an equation, you can say that they undo each other. So, it's 1 multiplied by D equals, in the left side, 1 times D equals D. Now, to the right side, 10 times 9 over 5. We should first divide by
the 9.
Divide by 5. Divide 10 by 5. Simplify.
It will be 2.
Okay,
2.
now
the 2.
2.
And the 9.
2 multiplied by 9, yes.
11. 18.
So D equals 18. Thank you, my hero. Thank you, Fahad. So the solution to this equation is D equals 18. Of course, my heroes, you can check your answer by substituting 18 for D in the given equation. Any problems?
No.
Okay, my heroes, finish writing quickly, everyone. Is there anyone writing?
Finish.
Great.
No, Mister. No.
Okay, so let's erase this and move to
Teacher,
page.
I'm
Yes.
Diya. Can I send the picture in the chat? Because I have one thing I didn't write.
Okay, Diya. You want me to send it?
No, خلاص I send it now.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, go to page 262. And here we have example 3. And for this example, I'll use this page. The area of a rectangular LED sky screen in Beijing, China is 7,500 square meters. The width of the sky screen is 30 meters. What is the length of the sky screen? So we should think first how to use these information to draw a diagram. This will help us understand the question. You know that we can substitute for the area
Yes.
A and the width W in the formula for the area of rectangle. Do you remember the formula? A equals LW. What's L and what's W? And what's A? A is area, L is length, W is width. So the area equals length multiplied by width, or A equals LW. Then solve for the length. So this is a diagram, and we know here that the area is, we know that the area is 7,500 square meters. And also we know the width is 30 meters. Now let's use the formula. The formula is A equals LW. Okay, help me again, my heroes. What's the value for A?
LW. Area. W.
In the question, what is the value, the number for A?
Area. Area. Area, Mister.
Yes, it's
Area.
area. It's given, my heroes. Look at the picture and look at the diagram and look at the question. You have the area given.
7,500
Square
meters.
Yes. So this is the area, 7,500. This is the value for the area. And do you have L? Do you have the length?
The length.
Do you have the length? The number for
No.
the length? No. Do you have the width?
No.
What is the 30 here?
30 meters.
What is it?
Yes, we have it. We have 30 meters.
The 30 is the width. So substitute
Yes.
7,500 for A
Yes.
and 30 for W. So it will be 7,500
Seven.
equals 30 multiplied by L, or 30L.
Length.
Okay, now what do we need to do? We need to solve this
Divide it by
equation
the
to find
30.
L. It's 30 multiplied by L. So we need to remove the 30 to cancel the 30. undo the multiplication. How to do it?
Divide by.
Divide by what, Ahmed? Yes, Abdulaziz, by 30. So we should find the value of the variable L, or the length, and we use division property of equality and divide by 30 to undo the multiplication. Now, 7,500 divided by 30. Let me remind you again how we do this in steps. So I will write it. I can divide by 10 first. So I will remove 1 0 from here and 1 0 from the denominator. 1 0 from the numerator and 1 0 from the denominator. Now I divided by 10. Now, let's divide by 3. How to divide by 3? I will divide 750 by 3. Divide 7 by 3, then 5 by 3, then 0 by 3. 7 divided by 3 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. So we have remainder 1. So this number now is 15. 15 divided by 3.
5.
And 0 divided by 3.
0.
0.
So remember, my heroes, we have only 1 0 because the other one we removed it from both numerator and denominator. So in the left side it's 250. What should we do in the right side?
Divide.
We don't need just 30. Divide 30 equals 1. So they undo each other.
Cancel. Yes.
So
Cancel.
what do you have left?
We have L.
We have only, yes, we have only L
200
left.
250.
So 250 equals
L.
L. Great. So remember, L is the length. That's what we need to find. So the solution, or the sky screen, is 250 meters long. Okay, my heroes, any problems?
No, Mr. No.
Okay, now I'll send to you a practice link. Now we will start solving. Let's start with the first question. Salim? 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 Abdulaziz Zara? Abdulaziz Zara? Abdullah Dokhi? Abdullah Dokhi? My heroes, when I call you, respond quickly.
Yes, Mister, I am here, but I don't see your screen.
I'm sharing my screen, Abdullah.
I know, but I don't see it.
Okay, rejoin quickly. Rejoin quickly. Abdulaziz Shahab?
Yes, teacher. A value when substitute for a variable will make a quotient is to a solution.
Excellent. This is the definition of the solution of an equation. Okay, let's move to the next question. Oh,
Teacher, can you answer? I'm Faris.
I'm calling the names Faris. Of course you will answer, inshallah.
Okay.
Abdullah Shiqaq? Abdullah Ali Shiqaq?
Mister, let's know. I don't see the screen.
This is Abdullah Dokhi?
Yes.
I am Abdullah Shaggad, Mr.
You see my screen, Abdullah Shiqaq?
Yes, I see it.
Okay, what is the inverse operation of multiplication?
Division.
Division. Excellent. Abdullah Dokhi, are you here? Or still cannot see? Okay, Abdul Jabbar?
No, I see.
You see? Okay, go ahead.
Yes, Mister.
The next question, inshallah, Abdul Jabbar.
72.
Okay, Abdul Jabbar. So we will multiply by 8. Multiply both sides by 8. This 8 multiply by 8 and divide by 8 undo each other. So it will be just x. And in the other side, 8, we multiply it by 9. 9 times 8 equals 72. Any problems?
No, mister.
Of course, my heroes, as you know, if you have any problem with any question, you can use your mic and you can ask. Abdul Jabbar? Abdul Jabbar answered. Okay, Abdullah Dukhi, you didn't answer yet.
Yes.
Okay, 14 equals W divided by 2.
7.
14 equals... What should we do?
Divide.
But we need to remove this 2. It's divided by 2. W divided by 2. So we should multiply, not divide. Right? Use your mic.
Yeah. Yes.
So we multiply by 2, not divide by 2. Okay, this divide by 2 and multiply by 2 undo each other. So in the right side, it's just W. What is in the right side, in the left side? 14 times 2. 4 times 2, then 1 times 2. Use your mic. You're not using your mic. I don't like this. So my hero, it's 28. I don't like what you're doing. I said many times, when you are answering, do not mute your mic. When you answer any question, do not mute your mic. Any problems, my heroes?
No.
And the next question is the same also. So, Abdurrahman Naim.
Teacher, I'm Dia. Today I didn't answer.
Okay,
Hi, teacher. Listen to me.
yes, go ahead. Abdurrahman Naim, go ahead.
Okay, x
Divided 16 equals 2.
divides-
What should we
Can
do?
you hear me now? I have a problem.
6,
Okay,
we
Abdullah,
divide
I
by
know you.
16. We not divide it, we multiply it.
Yes, we will multiply it, and it will remove the 16 in the denominator here. So it will be x equals 2 times 16.
Yes, 2 times 16. 2 times 16. We now multiply 2 times 16. It equals 32.
32. Excellent. Thank you, my hero. Okay, my
Welcome.
heroes, as you know, my heroes, if you have any problems with any question, you should ask. Faris?
Yes. Yes, teacher.
18 equals 2f.
So 18 equals 2f means that f, it has a number that we need to substitute, and 2 multiply 18. What is
You will
2 multiply something that equals 18? There is only 9.
Great. This is one way to find the solution. And also, of course, we can divide by 2 both sides. And 18 divided by 2 equals 9. Okay, thank you, Faris.
You're welcome.
Okay, this question, this is like the question that we answered in example 3. Let me show you. The area.
Teacher, I'm Dia. Answer it.
Okay, Dia, help me. A equals LW. What's the variable A?
A equals W and
45. And L, it's X. And W, it's 5. So it's X times 5 or 5X. Now, we can divide both sides by 5.
okay. 45 divided by 5 equals 8.
No.
I mean 9.
9. So
So that's
9 equals X. So the solution here, X equals 9.
9.
Thank you, my hero. Okay, my heroes, any problems?
No.
Okay, and the next question.
No, mister.
Teacher, the session finished before 2 minutes.
Okay,
Can we
I'll
leave
end
because
it
we have
now.
another
Just a
session?
second. in this question, my heroes, the correct equation is n divided by 6 equals 4, because she divides the lollipops in 6 bags. So n is the number of lollipops divided by the number of bags equals 4. Okay, and we have one question left. Okay, last week we have 35 hours in 5 days. We need to find how many hours each day. So 5 times the number of hours each day you should get 35. So 5h equals 35. Do you have any problems with these questions?
No, bye,
Okay,
teacher.
thank you, my heroes. See you and goodbye.